Even if you have school or work, you can still start your day off incredibly. But it starts in the evening, and the first step for that is going to sleep earlier. It might sound like you'd want to do stuff when you get home in the evening, but if you go to sleep earlier, you will have more energy throughout the day so you can do more things anyway. And if you feel like you won't get tired if you go to sleep earlier, just spend more time actually doing stuff in your day, either working on something, working out, doing more things so you actually feel tired when you are going to fall asleep. Because there's some days where I feel like I could just sleep standing up, but then some days where I can't go to sleep at all, and that's because I did nothing. Also in the evening, try not to get stimulants like blue screens, bright flashing lights in your face, bunch of notifications, just basically things that will keep you up, and worse, give you things to think about when you're trying to fall asleep. And then in the evening, try to calm down, breathe, take deep breaths when you're trying to fall asleep. If you can't sleep, at least you'll get some good breathing. I highly recommend just trying this at least a few times, because I used to think I was a night owl. I love staying up, but as soon as I changed this, I realized I got a lot more done just by waking up an hour or 2 hours earlier. So then when you finally go to sleep and you wake up, get up right away. Find a reason why you would want to wake up. Have something to look forward to, like when it's the holiday season, like Christmas, for example. And so many people wake up at like 3 a.m. just bursting out of their bed because they want to look at the presents. They want to, it's Christmas. Why can't it be like that for every day? What's that present that you'll wake up for the next day? What's something that you can look forward to? Something that almost makes it hard for you to sleep because you just keep thinking about it. You just want to do that thing. Is it going outside a little bit? Is it finding some cool thing you want to try? Think about that and try to have that thing as much as possible, because it'll be so easy for you to wake up. So try waking up earlier, and you can even put your alarm across the room, so you have to actually get up out of bed to turn it off. It's just going to keep going. And the only way to stop is if you get up out of bed to turn it off. And it's going to be a lot easier to go through the rest of your day like that instead of just turning the alarm off when you're already still in bed. That's how I've lost hours just sleeping in when I didn't even want to. And every time I sleep in, it doesn't even feel as good as if I just woke up right away. You might notice that my voice is a little gone. That's because of the things that I've been doing throughout the days to get me tired so I can go to sleep earlier and wake up earlier and get more done. Because it's like 8 a.m. right now, and I've already done a lot of helpful things to myself. And because I've been playing sports, I've been screaming in those games. I've been working out, I've been trying to do a lot of things. I'm so tired when it comes to the end of the day that I just can't wait to wake up and do the same things that I enjoy doing. So getting up right away is one of the most, if not the most important part of the day, because it defines how the rest of your day will go. And as soon as you get up, my favorite thing to do is get out and challenge myself, whether that's by going on a quick little run or just being outside in general, working out, going to some place near me. And my favorite part about it is that the outside in the morning is just so free. No one else is up. No one else wants to do anything besides just sleep in. So it's so funny when I'm just the only one outside doing something and I see one person also going on a run or something. And then after I do that, I like to shower, do all that stuff. And after I do that, I like to work on something. And I'm doing that right now by making this video, talking to you. I hope you like it so far. If you like the environment, consider subscribing. It's free. basically doing that main task right away in the morning. I made this whole idea video and I'm making it right now in the morning. I've done it so many times in the past too. Even when I had school, I would make the video in the evening or in the morning and then film the video still in the morning and then have like 5 minutes to get ready to eat and go on the bus. I've still pulled it off many times, and some of those videos are one of my best performing videos of all time. And then finally, when I work on something, like after I make this video, after I talk to you, then I like to reward myself by being able to eat something, being able to go on my phone, because I've basically done the biggest challenge of my day right away in the morning while a lot of people haven't even woken up yet. And that's, to me, is just amazing because I have all this day left to look forward to, and I've already done so much. Like, what's the point of slowing down when I have all this momentum? It just feels amazing. I've already done so much, and I have so much of my day left. Let's just do more. Let's just make it even better. That's the mindset I have with every day, and that's how I feel like I genuinely win my day. So the benefits of just waking up earlier, going to sleep a bit earlier, is that you'll feel so much more productive. You'll get so much more done. You'll feel like you're actually challenging yourself. You're building up your mindset, your discipline, your ability to do the hard work, maybe when you don't even feel like it. That's just such a valuable thing you can have in life. You'll feel like every day is more purposeful because you're working on something, even if it isn't YouTube or going on some run, if it's just learning a song, doing some artwork that you like, whatever hobby or passion you have, being able to spend more time to do that thing is always going to be amazing. It always will be. And also, it's just fun. It's fun waking up in the morning and when it's a nice day out, just being outside. There's not a lot of things that just beat that in life. You feel amazing. You really do. Imagine you were just still sleeping. You've done all these things, and maybe you a month ago or a year ago would have still been sleeping in. But now it actually feels like you're living a different life. And that's amazing. Try this out right now, bro. So, see you later. Peace.